Good day, everybody. How are you all doing? Hope you are doing great today. The weather is great here. I hope the weather at your place is good too. For those of you who do not know me, this is the crazy dude, Dr. Nandi. Why is he crazy? Because he solves all kind of math problems and uploads them in his YouTube video website. But you may not know, I have also uploaded short travel videos all around the world. When you get a chance, take a look. You may enjoy some of these. So, the problem is I have been teaching math for more than 20 years, and people come and complain to me. Math is very hard. Yes, I agree with you. I have no problem with that fact that, yes, math is difficult. But I also say if you know the exact ways or the path you have to take or the steps you have to take to solve a problem, math problem, it's not very difficult. And I'll show it to you by doing an integration problem. So here I go. By the way, if you like my videos, give me thumbs up and please do not quit halfway through because I'll always give some important tip at the end of the program. Okay, so here I go. Says integration by parts, and they're given an expression integrate ln of x divided by x squared dx. So let me change the color of the ink and let's get started. Okay. Integration by parts is integration by parts. Let me write the main formula. Integration by parts. Main formula is integration of u dv is equal to uv minus integration of v du. So the strategy in solving integration by parts is to correctly select the two terms u and v. Which one is u, which one is dv in the original expression. So let dv be equal to 1 over x squared, and there should be a derivative term in it, dx. Okay. So from which I can integrate both sides. Let's do it over here. Integrate on both sides. Integrate both sides to get integration of dv is equal to integration of 1 over x squared dx. Okay, and integration of dv is of course v, and this integration we use the power rule or exponent rule of integration, which says if you integrate x square, x minus 2, this is integration of x minus 2 dx. Okay, and it will be x minus 2, you increase the exponent by 1 and divide by the same term, minus 2 plus 1, which is x minus 2 plus 1 is 1 minus 2. 1 is smaller, so it is minus 1, divided by, again, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, or minus x to the power of minus 1 equal to minus 1 over x. So that's where your v is minus 1 over x. Okay. Point to be noted. Point to be noted is v is equal to minus 1 over x. Okay. So we said dv is 1 over x squared dx. So then automatically the u is equal to ln of x. Okay. Now, let me move this up a little bit up. So taking derivative on both sides, okay, du, then taking derivative on both sides, on both sides. Du is equal to 1 over x, derivative of ln of x, d, okay, of ln of x, okay, or du is equal to derivative of ln of x is 1 over x and dx, okay. So now integration by parts, we are going to use integration by parts. So integration of by parts, as I said, is uh, integration of u dv is equal to uv minus integration of v du. So this becomes uh, so integration of apply integration by parts. Integration by parts. Integration of u dv is equal to uv minus integration of v du. So in our case, it becomes integration of the terms we have, integration of ln x by x square dx becomes equal to u and v. U and v together. U I proved is, u I said, let me write it over here. Let u. So u is equal to ln x. So ln x. So this becomes u is ln x for u. And for v, I'm writing this minus 1 over x. And v is minus 1 over x. Okay. Plus, sorry. And then minus integration of v is minus 1 over x and du is 1 over x dx. Okay, so this is v and this is du. Okay, so if I move this up, so what do I have over here? Integration of ln of x by x squared dx is equal to minus ln x minus 1 times minus 1 is minus ln x by x, and there are two minuses here, so it becomes plus integration of 1 divided by x multiplied by 1 divided by x is 1 over x square and dx. So it should be dx. This is dx, right? Yeah, dx. So this is equal to or ln x by x square dx is equal to minus ln x by x plus, let me move this up a little bit up. So, okay. Plus, now integration of, let me erase this. Okay. Plus integration of 1 over x square is x to the power of minus 2 plus 1. This is plus, okay, divided by minus 2 plus 1. And because this is uh, indefinite integral, therefore we have to add a c, where c is an integration constant. Integration constant. Constant. C is integration constant. So or this becomes ln x by x squared dx is equal to minus ln x by x. Now this will become plus minus, actually minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 in the denominator, which is the minus, and this becomes x to the power of minus 1, which in finally will become minus, and oops, sorry, I forgot the forgot the integration constant. Uh, so let me not jump steps. I can erase this one. Okay. And then I go back here. This is in the denominator, it is -2 plus 1 is -1 and plus c. And then I move this up a little bit. So the final answer is uh, integration of ln x by x squared dx is equal to minus ln x by x minus plus and minus is minus and x minus is 1 over x minus 1, you bring the integer to the, I mean, the exponent to the denominator, it becomes x 1, which is x plus c. So this is your final answer. Final answer. So let me quickly walk through what we did. Okay. So, so integration by parts, the key things as knowing the integration by parts, this is the formula. Integration of u dv is equal to uv minus v du. Strategy is how to select the proper u and v. Okay, we said dv is equal to 1 over x squared dx. Then we integrate on both sides to get v is equal to minus x to the power of x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1, which is minus 1 over x. So v becomes minus 1 over x. Okay. And we said u equal to ln x. So du, take the derivative on both sides, is d of ln x, which is du equal to derivative itself of ln x is 1x dx. Okay. And integrating by parts, integration by u dv is uv minus v du. Okay, so integration by parts, again ln x by x squared dx, which is the original function given to us. U is ln x, v is minus 1 over x, minus integration v is minus 1 over x, du is 1 over x dx. So finally, we have equal to minus ln x by x plus integration of 1 over x squared dx. This is an indefinite integral. So we have to add an constant of integration, which is c. So the final results is minus ln x by x minus 1 over x plus c. Okay, c is the integration constant, is the final answer. I stop here today. I'm sure you may have some questions. Please do not hesitate to shoot me a question. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, the trick in this problem is to correctly select which one will be u, which one will be v, because integration of u dv is equal to uv minus integration v du. This is the formula for integration by parts. As long as you select the correct u and v, you will be all set to solve this problem. Again, if you have any question, please shoot me a question in the comments area. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. That really lets me know that you appreciate what I'm doing and I'm on the right track. And please share this video with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. Okay, and at the same time, hit the bell button. You'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I look forward to see you tomorrow. Take care. Have a nice day.